how are we already in August and how is it time to start school shopping again? The advantage I have this year is that my teenagers have to wear uniforms, and although they hate it, I love this for my life and for my pockets. I went to 2 stores for their school clothes. I went to Levine's and we went to Target to find some plain t-shirts, and when I tell y'all the complaining that took place here, I couldn't even take it. So that wasn't too painful.
It definitely was.
It wasn't too painful for me, but
yeah, because you have to wear uniforms.
They ain't gonna be able to put this shit on for the year. They talking about we don't want no photos. How I'ma not take photos on your first year into high school?
Because I look ready. You can get a face portrait.
How you feeling?
I want to go back to Legacy.
I thought you said you hate your school. Every day last year, you was like, I hate this school so much. The people are lame. The sports team is lame.
Some people, though, like my friends, they still go there. And, like, I don't know the school. I don't know my way around. Like, I used to say I hate being in middle school. But now, getting these uniforms, appreciate what you have before it goes away. Because we used to be in uniforms all year. And now, this is so ugly. Like, the last 2 years of high school, we're in uniforms. Like, that's what I'm going to get.
Pull them out. Show the people what kind of shirts y'all got.
So we have, me and Matthew both got orange shirts. I'm not gonna show. It's giving prison. Right. Then we both got a white shirt. Giving dick. Why? Because it's giving traffic cone. And then we got a black shirt.
What is giving?
I can't say. Shorter the better.
But it has to go to your fingertips.
I can't wear no skirt.
Maddie, your makeup looks really cute today. That's why I keep tapping on your face.
Started using liquid blush.
Liquid blush? I know nothing about it. Maddie it's the bomb. I plan on doing after school shopping and doing all of that and being out in these streets. I plan on doing nothing all day. I told somebody I was gonna take her window shopping at Lululemon.
Yep.
And window shopping it will be. Let's go. No way I can go. Ain't no way I can go to here.
Right.
There's no way. There's just no way. I gotta live right because it's too hot. Boy, it don't matter that you're not. I am. Thank you. Always give. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Ross always gives me somebody granny house, but the prices give me somebody mama who got a bunch of children. Finally home. You aggy. I can't even see. Let's do like this. Yeah, I told you that charger, little Wookie charging.
But it's charging.
Why I won't charge my iPad?
Oh no, your iPad is possessed.
I'm gonna let Kennedy do the haul for y'all.
Okay, for one, this camera set is not okay. Push y'all back.
Not the camera set.
Okay, y'all.
I thought I was doing something.
We got this big old bag. Ooh, we're gonna start with the Target haul first. So, got 2 orange shirts. We can only wear plain color shirts, but only 3 colors. So we got traffic cone shirts. We got traffic cone shirts. Then we got Galaxy shirts.
What is Galaxy?
These black shirts. We got these plain black shirts.
Why do you say Galaxy though?
The Galaxy is black. Then we have wedding shirts. We got white, black, and orange. We're gonna be looking like traffic cones, but that's okay. Then I also got this bow because it was cute, so had to pick it up. So now we got like the little button uniforms. So got 2 orange ones. They button up. Then I got 2 white ones. 2 black ones.
Gonna look dark. Bless you.
And you're not gonna be the one wearing them.
This is Riley, so yeah, a yellow shirt. Yeah,
Riley,
that's it for now.
It's gonna be a little simpler because she's going to more of like an academy, so she only get 1 shirt, 1 color.
Y'all, ours
right
is
up her alley.
giving jailbreak. mental hospital, and waitress.
This is not giving. But it's okay. It's gonna have to give.
Where the
'cause-
shoes?
Oh, mine is setting up on that, but we
I'll
got
get
some black
mine.
Crocs.
I don't know when
For now.
Crocs became like a fashion statement because
Oh, but Crocs been it, girl. Been.
Crocs
Been.
give the girlies at the nursing home.
Bye. But yeah, that's really it.
But that's not too bad. Y'all love coconut water.
These are the Crocs we got, y'all.
Yeah. We both.
Don't you
Let
want
me
my
finish that. Right.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
Maddie, we gotta do the urban. I'm gonna go outside and do. I got a package from Urban Decay. They have like some type of.
Good stuff.
Wait, what's in here?
Read the card first. I can read the card actually if you want. Okay. Hey, it's back. The original Naked palette exclusively at Ulta on the 4th. So, big exclusive packages.
Limited edition.
Right. Okay, let's see what's in there. Now, I don't really wear makeup, but I feel like Madison is going to have a
Naked.
ball with this. The packaging is so cute. Big authentic original eyeshadow palette. What?
They don't come out to the 4th, right?
Yeah, it don't come out to the 4th.
So yeah.
So you got exclusive. Okay, let's see what it's about. And walk the people through what this is.
Eyeshadow primer. Okay.
What does that do?
It's like, you know how I prime for my makeup, but it's for your eyeshadows, like where you put it on your eyes.
So you can't use the same primer on your face that you use.
You can, but I already have some. ATA gave me some of this, but yeah, we have the primer
Okay.
on the one.
Shout out to Urban Decay for the
Send us
exclusive
some setting spray next.
setting spray. Okay. Madison is. Why did you tear it in the packaging? It's so cute. Maddie, this is the
This is
original limited edition. I know, but oh yeah, it is true. Y'all, this is like a velvety situation. Shout out to the marketing team, whoever is over the packaging at Urban Decay.
We're packaged.
I ain't get mad. I just think it's just so cute. Why rip it up?
But what are we saving it for?
Open the stuff. Works my
Oh, these are cute.
Can you do like arm swatches, or you don't feel like doing all that? Okay, the colors are Version, Sin, Lies, The Devil is a Lie,
Version.
Naked, Sidecar, Buick, Half Baked, Smog, Dark Horse, Toasted, Hustle, Creep, and Gunmetal. Madison is going to do.
I think they spelled Buick wrong.
They spelled Buick wrong?
They spelled as Buck.
Oh, girl, because they never said Buick. They said Buck. Why did I say Buick?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
What are we trying first?
Whatever. We can do Sin.
Okay.
And
And I'm sending it over here.
okay.
Maybe, I don't even know. It all just look white to me.
This is Sidecar.
How can you tell?
See.
We're going to go outside and show y'all.
Okay. This is Buck.
Not I said Buick. The fact that I said Buick is insane.
See?
I'm just trying to figure out what to do a video on. I don't know. Crumble cookies is overrated to me.
When's the last time you even had crumble cookies?
The last time I had it, because why is it necessary to put a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on a cookie? Last time I had crumble cookies, it was peanut butter and jelly.
Well,
Can you bring me her box?
It's a viral trend.
Crumble cookies is expensive and that's too much and it's disgusting. I don't have crumble cookie money right now. I have school shopping money.
I
So,
have no money because all these jobs I applied for didn't want to text me back.
yeah, I be telling Maddie she has her whole life to work, but baby girl is ready.
Mom, it's not even that. I just like.
I know you want your own money. Who had my iPad last?
Nobody uses your iPad. We be on your computer. She trying to find everybody to blame. It's you.
Can you ask Maddie if I can see her? If the iPad comes on, it's just that it won't charge. I need to do so much work today. This could possibly be a sign that I need to just
stay off my devices for Kennedy. I'm on a video. So are y'all too old for me to walk in school with y'all?
Why would you walk in school?
Not
You're
walk
gonna
in
walk
school.
with-
I am.
You're gonna walk with us every day?
What's wrong with that?
I'm
I mean,
just
not
saying,
in
like,
the
what mom
school.
would ever want to just get up when their child lives 2 minutes away from the school? Like, it's luxury.
I'm
Not
gonna
even-
want to walk y'all. No, it is luxury, but the first week of school, I'm definitely walking y'all, so that I can get photos and we can have our morning walking.
We're not. We can do all that at the park.
Why can't I walk y'all to school though?
Mama, what?
Because this is a whole new school, a new district, a new everything. Kennedy's going into high school. This is your junior year. I'm not gonna have no more. I'm not gonna walk y'all to the school where people can see me, like walking, like, ooh, they mama holding their hand walking
Well, I
to school.
mean,
I'll
yeah,
like stop a little bit before we get to the school.
why
and
would
let
you
y'all
like
do
go
y'all thing.
embarrass us?
When have I ever embarrassed you?
When have you ever embarrassed me?
Yes, at school.
Or not at school?
I know, that's what I'm saying, baby. Don't try to play me out.
Ooh, y'all, my butt finna be so tea on the first. Ow, on the first step and be like,
I used to have to fight her to keep bows on and wear bows. No, not you.
no, I used to love those.
Yeah, Riley's breaking her bow immediately.
She used to
I'm
think
just
that
saying,
my boss as soon as we got in that classroom.
I don't want to walk in my closet every day and see that.
Kennedy, get your clothes out of my closet, bro. It is all the parents with kids going back to school and y'all got all them cute little bows. I hope you got 2 of each. I hope you got 2 of each and you gonna be mad. Where are you going without your clothes?
I am excited for
Marie.
one thing this school year, though, y'all.
Kennedy,
Okay, Mom, put the shoes
5,
It's crazy.
4. Your
I guess. I'm only taking mine. I don't have
it's
to-
like I got a preschooler.
Well, sometimes you just gotta roll with the punch.
Sometimes you just might get
That doesn't
punched.
make no sense.
You might.
I'm only
What y'all
taking
about to do for the rest of the
mine.
day?
You got yours.
Kennedy, you could have took all them
I'll probably
clothes.
be annoyed because she does stuff like that. Like, girl.
Mama, stop now.
You're not sewing buttons in my eyes.
Because they don't want to look.
Because I don't want to walk in my closet every day and see that. We can see it's a perfect time right
Kennedy, hang your clothes up in your room. Maria, I'm recording.
I didn't know you were recording.
I'm about to sit here and tear the city down. Like, the city is all 3 of these plates I have in front of me. So I messed up my Sam's order when I ordered last month and ended up ordering the wrong size paper plate. So that's why all my food is kind of like, it's giving appetizing. Little plates. Let me show y'all. That's really what I'm about to do. Bun.
Big servings.
Bun check, earrings check, food. These are the plates. I'm not selfish, man. Hush. Kennedy just. These are the plates I ordered. I ordered cake plates, appetizer plates, snack plates, cheese and fruit plates. That's what I did. But look at what I have here. So I got a PR package from Urban Decay for their original naked line or launch or whatever the case. And I kind of want to go shoot a promo video. The official release is tomorrow. But I want to go try to do a promo video today. But I'm kind of embarrassed, so. But if you don't take risks, you know what I'm saying? What you really doing in life? Let's go. Madison is gonna give me some mascara. She just randomly asked, so that must mean I need it.
No, I'm just saying, because, like, you like, she was feeling herself today, so why not feel herself more?
My
You gotta
whole.
look up.
I gotta look up. Oh, I can't look up and talk. Wait, okay, go. Just look up. Focus. And I keep looking right back down.
You can look down somewhere.
I want to do this video because I've been looking at a bunch of different people's marketing strategies, and I keep coming across Ryan Reynolds, some of his
Bro, that's
marketing
so
strategies.
random.
What? Oh, because of that beeswax. I just want to see what the video will do. I want to see an idea that came to my mind. I want to see it executed. And so that's what this attempt is. So if you are watching this YouTube video, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm trying to become that girl in the YouTube streets. God almighty.
You should do the YouTube what's called channel Being That Girl for like one day, and you get up at like 6, go to the gym by 6:30.
Well, I don't want to be that girl.
It's
I want to
like
be
a
the
billionaire
girl
routine.
like this. Nah, right. I can try that girl routine. Not today though. Let's go to Ulta and attempt to shoot this promo video. Mascara up by yours truly.
Period.
Needs by Maddie.
Book
I
me.
keep looking over here. Come on, book me.
And she just over here feeling herself.
I
Like,
am feeling myself. in
She's
this dress.
beautiful, but like it's time to go.
you beautiful, but let's be in this car too.
Look at the back of the dress. It's cute. The sun is shining. I really just set this video up to annoy them. Let's go for it. Thank you so much. Around for a second, and then we. Okay, so we're back in the car. Where's the bag? And it worked out. And whatever they be saying. And it worked out in my favor. I was really nervous to ask. But the lady in there was really nice. I forgot to get her name. She was really sweet. It's the Ulta that is in Highland Park. I'm going to drop the address in the description. But they were really nice. And Kennedy didn't record it because she was like, I don't know if the woman felt comfortable being on camera. That's very true. But that's okay. We got it.
Makeup lovers tap in, but specifically those of you who love Urban Decay, and if you are nostalgic about their Naked Original Neutrals palette, today is the day. It's available exclusively online and in stores, so pop into your nearest Ulta Beauty to get your shine on. I took Madison in the store. I received it as a PR package, but I wanted to go film a promo video for it. So I built up the courage to go into the store and ask them if we could film a promo video, and they said yes.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just start doing like the old folks used to say, just ride around the neighborhoods of the houses.
Trump 2024.
I don't care about the Trump 2024 sign. I'm talking about the houses that are over here.
They're
I name
literally
it-
gorgeous.
I name it and claim it in
Name of
Jesus'
Jesus.
name. Not only am I praying for the house, I'm praying for the. If I had a big house right now, you know, like I would be living with a whole bunch of family members. At first, I was like, I just want a house to just have my own space and duck off and have my no.
Like this one? Oh, bro. That one back there, y'all, I love it. But imagine like living with your cousins. That'd be great.
For real, right now, I would have a lot of people living in my house with me, but the main reason is I want a chicken.
This girl.
Some chickens, I want a garden, and I'm putting this right here on YouTube so that when y'all come back and see this video, when I actually have the stuff, y'all gonna be like, dang,
Period.
I'm following you since blah blah blah. But the main reason would for sure be to get a big house, have enough space. If somebody needs to come live, they'll come live. Family, it's just so much going on.
Yeah.
Basically, that's my TED talk for today. Let's go get some ice cream.
Period.
The best ice cream flavor, y'all, is mint chocolate chips.
Let's be for real, it's Oreo. I'm gonna go with Oreo. Period. Who likes? I don't know, mint chocolate chip. It just gives minty. I don't know that I like toothpaste ice cream like that.
Oh my goodness.
Toothpaste and
I hate when
chocolate
people say that.
chips.
Like, be
I
fake.
got a strawberry shortcake, a single dip strawberry shortcake, and I'm about to go back home and actually lay down. I got up and I was a productive creator today. You know what I'm saying? She giving big creator, big social media manager,
We've been out since 12.
all of those things, right? I've been out in these streets and filming content all day long. Kennedy, you know what to do.
Bet y'all can't sit the same home.
That's the end of the YouTube video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell for the next YouTube video. Bye.